यह वीडियो काल्पनिक है। पिछले साल की वीडियो की तरह सॉरी, पिछले साल वीडियो थी ही नहीं। अपॉलॉजीज। अगर आप इस वीडियो से ऑफेंड होते हैं तो दैट्स ए पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम। और हाँ, इस वीडियो को दिल पे ना लें, कहीं मत लें, सिर्फ मज़े लें। थैंक यू।
What's up, guys? Welcome to Pakara Awards, No Nakara. And first of all, each and every one of you, just turn on your cameras, guys. Honestly, I'll wrap it up as soon as possible. Don't worry. But I'm telling, I'll create one trustworthy person as co-host. If you're not turning on your cameras, they have all right to kick you out. Moving on. Welcome to the Bakara Awards, No Nakara. And without any further ado, I think we should all start it off because this is a send off of one of the best mantles in the entire festing circuit of Bangalore. And so, starting off with the first award for tonight, and the award is the Money in the Bank Award. And this award goes to our very own beloved admin, Harshil J. Shah. Sorry, Tanish Kumar Jain. Give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this prestigious award. And at the end of the day, all I would like to say is money talks, guys. Thank you.
Guys, now that the most prestigious award is out, I would like to announce that for the wonderful job that our admin has done, we have decided to promote him as the master of ceremony for tonight's Bakra Awards. And I would love for Tanish to take over as the master of ceremony of tonight's Bakra Awards. Please give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Best Guest Appearance Award, and there is no nominees in this category. And the winner is Meher Gupta.
8 semesters later.
And I was running far
This was quite unexpected actually, but thank you so much everyone. Also, everyone please like, share and comment on my reels. I would really appreciate that. But thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have the Best All-Rounder Award, and it goes to, any guesses? That's correct. It goes to Ria Jain from where, bro? From college.
Thank you so much for this, guys. I don't think I should say anything with so many people staring at me. It's a little uncomfy. So thank you so much.
Next up, the Tallest Person Award goes to Ria Maheshwari.
Baby shark do 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 do.
The thing is, this damn chomu, but thank you so much for the award, my G's. This one's going out to employment, and I'm gonna go get Litty Red ASAP, so no stress, God bless.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Accidental Best Manager Award, and the winner of this prestigious award is Syed Muhammad Amir.
I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Right now, I was more inclined to cultural fests in the beginning, but in the night is when I realized that management is my scene.
No one cares. Absolutely no one. Bro, did anyone ask? Bro, nobody cares.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Monster Award, and the winner is Archana Ranjan.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
New year, new me, new CC, new trophy.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called Absolutely Jaw-Breaking Award, and it goes to Vishnu Shaji Kumar.
I am a Malayali. I wear a thing.
Hi guys, thank you everyone for the award. I will now request Archana to come up on the stage and speak a few words. Oh, you can't come here, huh? It's peace, it's peace. Thank you guys, thank you for the award.
The next award is called Studio is the Fest Room Award, and it goes to Kiran Gaudara from also from college.
Wow. Hi guys, thank you so much for this. It really means a lot to me, and especially for the growth of MEFT. I would like to thank everybody, especially Ashwin sir. Sorry. No. I meant I would like to thank Abhishek sir for all his support. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called Red Bull Award, and this is another category where there are no nominations. There is only direct winner. So the winner is Sudhanma Raghavendra.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು for this award. Bro, actually I want to tell a story. In my first year I wasn't there in any team. I was rejected by everyone and everything. But in my third year
Bro, Sudhanva, एक बार बोला तो समझ में नहीं आता, क्या छोटा रखो स्पीच को. Next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called No Matter What the Award Is, but the cash prize goes to Harshil Shah.
Oh, mom, cash prize it seems. Thank you so much, it seems. I am not admin, it seems. Tanish, you are my best friend, it seems. Okay, guys, balloon is calling. I'll see you. Bye.
Up next, we have the Show Off Award, and the winner of the Show Off Award is Anya Shah.
I really didn't expect this award, but thank you anyways. I need to go to my salon, so my Mini Cooper is waiting for me.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Best Cap Bearer Award, and this award goes to Ritik of Team Melange.
I am speechless right now. I'm very, very happy that I conducted Abhinandan and Melange. Thank you.
The next award is called Cute But Psycho Award, and the winner of this award is Huzefa. Can we please have Huzefa come up on stage?
Thank you so much for this award, and thank you CGS for coming for our Festus contingent.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Best Teetotaler Award, and the Best Teetotaler of CMS goes to Pramukh KS.
Thank you everyone for the award. Okay, got to go and make the logo bigger.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Majnu Award, and it goes to Prakur.
Prize for this amazing award. Outside there's my sister's stall, okay? So after this event, go and eat there and pay before eating. Thank you again, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is called the Nishka Overalls Award, and we are very happy to present the Nishka Overalls to Dhanush.
First of all, thank you so much for this prestigious award. Secondly, I won't talk much and won't take much of your time because my PR team told me not to talk much. That's all for the day. See you all around. All the best for your future.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is called the Munch Award, and it goes to Anishka Sabi.
कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़के मुझे नहीं देखा? Thank you everyone for this award.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is called Lasya Pin Award, and the person receiving the Lasya Pin Award is someone who didn't receive the Lasya Pin. And the winner of the Lasya Pin Award is Sonali Simha.
Thank you so much. Finally, this Lasya pin is come into my hands. Special thanks to Sudanva for this delay.
The next award is called Dhwani Award. The reason we're calling it Dhwani is because it didn't take place. So Dhwani Award goes to Shreyas and Yatha.
Roses are red.
Violets are blue.
The only question we had throughout 2020 is... Hello?
Bro, Shreyas, हम fundamentalist के बारे में भूल गए.
Ending. We looked up at the sky and we talked about the last song that we played. So far from comprehending, they lift us to the stars. Never seen each other from so far away. But then the sun came right back.
Student Council 2021. Pandemic here, so many uncertainties. There was a big question mark. But you guys made sure we pass everything with flying colors. Be it the selections, be it getting the teams in place, be it the induction, be it the training, the boot camps, the choreography sessions, winning every single fest we participated in, organizing the most coveted CMS festival. You guys are winners. I mean, I know you're graduating, and all that I want to say is we've had a lot of memories, be it in MLR, several places in the campus, be it in the studio, be it in the practice hall, be it in the fest room, be it, preparing for last year. It's been a very, very beautiful, fulfilling journey. I want to tell each one of you that you have made CMS proud. We, the CMS Student Council, want to say that we are going to miss you. Remember one thing, wherever you are, CMS name is going to be associated with you. So all the best.
It's an absolute pleasure to speak about this batch of Student Council 2021. This year being stuck by pandemic, and we all were apprehensive to conduct Fest online. But you all made it possible with your exemplary hard work by organizing Freshers Day, Icon, Precipice in online mode for the first time, inviting international universities to participate as well. We were the first college in Bangalore to organize a fest offline with your efforts. we were able to organize CMS Festival successfully at MLR Convention Center, keeping in mind all COVID protocols. CMS Festival got huge media publicity and was appreciated by all alike. Coming back to our intercollegiate fest in management, cultural and media, you made us proud by winning the overalls in many fests across Bangalore. Thank you guys for proving yourself again. Your never say die attitude made it all possible and smooth. All the best for your future endeavors. Keep rocking. God bless you all. Always remember, performance is reality.